Good morning, everyone. This morning, we are going to the Maeklong Train station, and followed by that, we're gonna go to Icon Siam after that. So we just reached the Siam Paragon. We've just signed in, checked in, and this would be the bus that we are gonna take to the Maeklong Train station. Then we can get on the bus to take a rest first. It's gonna be a quite long journey from here.
当然是流水上是抢那个2个小时2个小时，10年以前1个半小时可以但是现在不能堵车很多在路边头。
So we have just reached here, and we are gonna have some bananas and some yogurts over here. Hello. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Yeah. Alright, so now we are boarding the boats. Seems like they will stop us to a number of souvenir shops. And then, yeah, that's why the journey takes about 45 minutes. Alright, so we have got off from the boat. We're now going to have some noodles, some boat noodles. We are sat by the side of the floating market and having our first boat noodles. Okay, my face. Oh, tastes good. So we have just arrived from the bus and we are just opposite the train track. It's closing.
Please be careful about the danger of the train ขบวนรถจะหยุดรับส่งผู้โดยสารไปรถลาดใหญ่เขตเมืองตลอดจนปลายทางสถานีบ้านแหลมค่ะ
โอเคแค่พูดไม้ช็อตนะโอเคอย่ามันโบกเคนโอเค be careful Have a nice day. Thank you.
Well, that was quite an interesting experience with the train coming and passing by next to us. So this is life back to normal after the train leaves, and yeah, everyone is just continuing with their business. So this is the end of the railway track, and yeah, every time the train stops, it will actually stop at this area. Yep. Alright, so this is the Maeklong River. So we just quickly check into the restaurant next to the train station, or rather railway tracks. And yeah, we've gotten up some, and we have ordered a tom yum noodle as well as a pineapple fried rice. Our pineapple fried rice has finally arrived.